Hi, this Metflix video is designed to show you how to access your student email account. You can access your email both off and on campus. Off campus, the starting point for all of Cardiff Met's resources, including email, is the homepage of our website, www.cardiffmet.ac.uk. From here, navigate to the Information For box in the top right-hand corner and select Student Portal from the drop-down list. You will be directed to the login screen where you should enter your username and password. This will take you through to the Student Room website. From here, navigate to the email icon and click on this. An alternative way to access your student email account when off campus is by using the direct URL. Enter www.outlook.com in the address bar and click Enter. Enter your username and password and click Sign In. If you've forgotten your password, click on the link Can't Access Your Account and follow the on-screen instructions. For any Outlook.com account users, make sure you are signed out of your personal account when trying to access your student email account. You can also access your student email account whilst on campus. Log on to a PC and from the student desktop, double-click the student email icon. After a few seconds, your student email account should open. If you have any problems logging onto your student email account, please contact the IT Help Desk on 02920 417,000 or email ithelpdesk@cardiffmet.ac.uk or visit the IT advisors in your learning centre on campus. Thank you for watching and remember to check out our other Metflix videos.